Got the inner rocker welded in, the very inside piece. Just about to do the other middle, if you will, piece. I just got the inside piece tacked in place though. I'll move on to the front here, so I got the front piece tacked in as well. So this is all tacked up and ready to go. So next will be the inner piece that I'm putting in here, the middle piece, because there's so many parts to this. So more to come. Okay, so here's the outer rocker set in place. I got the inner rockers in, the very inner one is tacked into place. The middle is tacked in at the top but not across the bottom because I ran out of gas. So I just set the outer in here, trimmed it up, so I will fix this up after. But there's the, so all the way down. So there's my outer rocker done. Now obviously I'm gonna have to be patching that rear quarter panel piece, of course, but here's how it all lines up. Looks pretty good. Look down the car. It's all rounded, follows the same shape, contour. So I'm happy with that. Looks pretty good to me, but still some finishing to go, welded in. And then we'll be on to the rest of the bodywork, like this piece. And a couple of our pieces underneath the floorboards there. Thanks for watching.